Now let's talk about marketing and sales promotion. How will you promote the services of your parlor? First of all, you should do email marketing. You can promote whatever services or products should by sending them in email. You can also create a blog and also create your own website where you can see all the services you have in your parlor. Make a video of whatever services you are offering. You can upload it on social media so that people know more and more about which services you are offering and how you do that. After that, branch out with social media. You should also promote your product service within the social media branch. After that, highlight the product on social media. You can also put the product on social media which you are using. How do you use this product in it? You can also put it on social media. After that, try paid advertising. You can do advertisements by paying money, like on the social channel. You can give your ad over the TV. You can promote business in this way. After that, you can also make a package of the services that is done in your parlor. What happens in this is that if you are doing two or three services, say you are doing facial, manicure, pedicure, giving two or three services, then what do you do in it? Like give scalp massage for free. These kind of coupons you can make that you will do two things in 1500 or 2000 and you can give a free scalp massage. You can create such coupons in this way and upgrade your business. That means you can increase the business. You also have to include your staff in this task so that more and more people have come to your parlor. For example, you have to say your implies that they bring the customers and if they take any service like they take facial treatment which is 2000, then you can give commission of 200 rupees to the employees. So in this way staff will earn more and staff will be happy. It will help to bring more and more customers. This will make your business more efficient. After this, the offers that are going on, like you are preparing a bridal, it costs 25,000 or 30,000 rupees. Let's say it costs 30,000 rupees and you can reduce her 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. How much percentage you want to reduce? You should also keep on offering so that your business grows further. More and more people will come to you. You should keep the proper list of your parlor with you. The entire list related to the services that are being given, the treatments that are being given to their clients has to be put on reception area of parlor so that customers who come they can find out how much the rates of the services and then they can take their treatment that way. You have to give the best services to your customer. You have to treat them properly so that more and more people will come to you. Now, there are some journal tips that I want to tell you. Just like the front desk means where your reception area is, set up it correctly. The person who is a receptionist who should have complete information about the services that you have in your parlor. Whoever customer comes to the parlor, first they go to the reception area. Receptionist should know full information about what services are there, what offers are in it. He should have all the information so that they can tell the customer properly. After that, set up self station. You should make a self station in your parlor. Whatever treatment you have given in it, like you have made a good hairstyle, will take its selfie and put it on social media. If its feedback comes, what people say about it. It will also help to promote your business. Business will grow. In this way, you should make a selfie station in it. After that, create a new hairstyle. Accept the traditional hairstyle that you have. Make another good hairstyle that is in fashion. Take a selfie and put it on social media. The views that have come from your selfie have to be taken out and framed. You have to keep them in your waiting area or your reception area so that people can see how good services is being provided here. People should be aware or affected by this. You should keep it in this way. You should offer higher level treatment to your clients, like the scalp massage, facial massage, body massage that you can recommend to tell your clients.